Happy birthday, Clay. Wish ko sa'yo maging mabuti kang bata sa lahat ng makakasalamuha mo. Andito lang kami ni Mami at Daddy para sa'yo, para suportahan ka. Palagi. Dito lang kami. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday!
Forecast is fine, this is my time. I'm sitting on cloud nine. I'm doing my thing, I'm feeling my flow. I'm gonna let the colors show. I feel good.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Akiyo. Happy first birthday, Akiyo.
Happy birthday, Akiyo!
I feel good today. I feel good. I feel good. Yeah, I feel good. I feel good today.
Clay, Akiyo. So, gusto ko maging optimistic ka sa buhay. Makita mo yung joy, yung purpose mo. Makita mo yung saya sa maliliit na bagay. Ma-appreciate mo. Ayun lang. Basta, kung ano man mangyari, dito lang ako, magagabay sa'yo. Magiging coach mo ako, magiging friend mo ako. Makikinig ako, susuportahan kita, gagayad kita sa lahat ng mga bagay-bagay. Ayun, mahal na mahal ka namin. I love you. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Dito lang kami. Tsaka si Kuya Devin, mahal na mahal ka namin.
Pretty odd, little deaths in musical beds. So it seems of someone I never met. You will only hear these elegant crimes fall on your ears from criminal dimes. They spill on foul from a pretty mouth. When everybody gets there, everybody gets there.
Happy
Birthday, Clay! Ang wish ko lang sa'yo is sana pag lumaki ka, maging masunuring bata ka, and sana mag-excel ka rin sa studies. Love na love ka ni Ninang.
No, I'm the only one to blame. Things have changed for me, and that's okay. I feel the same. I'm on my way, and I say things have changed for me, and that's okay.
Baby Pogi, love ko ni Mama Kix. Kahit wala si Mama Kix lagi, nasa Batangas, pero yung isip ko nasa inyo. Saka, lagi ko kayong miss, lagi ko kayong hanap. Sana lumaki ka rin mabait, kagaya ni Kuya. Same as Kuya mo, sana mapagmahal ka rin malambing at mabait na bata. Always God-fearing. Saka yun, all the best para sa inyo.
I never said I missed her when everybody kissed her. No, I'm the only one to blame. Things have changed for me, and that's okay. I feel the same. I'm on my way.
Happy birthday, Akiyo! Love, love! Happy first birthday, Akiyo, Clay!
Happy birthday, Akiyo! I wish you good health and sana i-bless ka ng maraming ni Lord. And full of love from your family, Mommy, Daddy, and Kuya Devin. We love you. Happy birthday!
Well, things have changed for me. Come on, everyone, let them dance, okay. Oh, I'm singing it all out. Come on, everybody, just sing along. Things have changed for me, and that's okay. I'm on my way, and I'll say things have changed.